Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how you can hide indicators in your TradingView platform. So let's say that I'm in TradingView right now. So how to do it? The first way how you can hide is just come here and click volume, like whatever indicator you have, and click hide here. Then I can do it also with RSI if I want. So this is the first way how you can do it. The second way how you can hide it is go to bottom right corner to object free, and you can have like everything here, and I can simply click hide, trend line, relative. Everything is hidden, as you can see. So this is another way how you can do it. And the last thing that you can do to hide all indicators is to double click on your chart. Not indicators, but the RSI on the bottom. So when I'm going to double click on my chart on the trading here, I can hide everything. So these are the ways how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.